Welcome to Alicante, ancient city for thousands of years, occupied by the Greeks, Romans, Goths, Moors, and then of course the Spaniards. So yeah, tonight we're staying in Hello Alicante Villas. Is that what it's called? Hello Alicante Villas. Strange name. So yeah, this is more like an apartment rather than a hotel. So I'm going to give you a little apartment tour and show you around, show you what this place looks like. So a lot of grey going on in here. You've got a door that's kind of disguised into the wall. So as you come in, that's the main doorway here. It's silver lights and this huge kind of wardrobe storage facility. Like what's going on in there? Yeah, we've got that's a branded apart hotel. Hello. Another duvet in there. What have we got in here? Big wardrobe. Yeah, we've got a little safe in there. Iron. Tiny little ironing board if you need it. Some spare sheet that doesn't look particularly clean. It's a bit grubbed out. Some old folded duvet system on the bottom there, which looks a bit grubby too. And in fact, the whole place, it's a bit, it's like, I would say it's the cleanest of places I've ever seen. Looks a little on the tired side. This looks like a futon, like a fold-out chair. We've got double bed in here. We've got a mattress that looks a bit smaller than the bed base itself. So that's kind of sticking out. That's not perfect, is it? We've got some couple of side tables. Again, a few marks on here, a bit grubby. Got a nice little tiny little chandelier going on there, and some funky kind of old school wallpaper. Towels on bed, don't know why. Should probably be in the bathroom. Don't know why they do that. Again, a few kind of marks and stains on this side. That's right up. Let's check out the bed. So yeah, pillows. How do those pillows look? It could be a bit cleaner. It's not a hotel, as I say, but it should be clean, shouldn't it? So we've got one sheet on there. Let's do this. Do the checks. We've got a few marks on that mattress cover. Let's have a look in here. Very dark mattress, but yeah, it looks clean enough. It looks clean enough. That's not too bad. Yeah. So yeah, we've got TV. Let's do that TV test. See if that comes on. Ooh, it's coming on straight away, isn't it? Yeah, it looks. Can we get a picture though? Don't know how you get a picture on Samsung TV. What's happening? I selected something. I don't know what. Yeah. Cartoons. Alright, I'll watch those later, those cartoons. Got a big mirror on here with some funky kind of 60s looking light situation. Table with a couple of chairs in the centre. It's quite spacious, isn't it? There's a lot of room, but it looks a bit kind of like bodged together. It doesn't look like amazing standard, does it? Got another kind of funky mirror on there. And then we've got another, did we look in here? No, we didn't. Microwave, fridge freezer. You don't often see like a full-on fridge freezer, do you? I suppose it's an apartment rather than a hotel, so it looks this again. It is cold. There's nothing in it. And a few bashes in there, and it's like it looks a bit like tired, slightly tired. Got the kitchen area here. If you're staying a bit longer, the cupboard's it doesn't look fully straight, does it? Some cups in here, little coffee cups, wine glasses. That's good. Jug for water, a few plates in there. What have we got in here? Nothing. Oh, that's for the hobs, light for the hobs, and all your kind of bits and bobs in here. Cutlery, things that you might need for cooking. We've got a nice Nescafe coffee maker there and a kettle. So we've got best of both worlds in here. So let's check that kettle, see if that's clean. Oh, you know what? Can you see that in there? I don't call that clean at all. I think that's really grubby. I wouldn't want to use that kettle, to be honest. Probably won't anyway, but yeah. Toaster and mixer under there, some pots and pans. It's like, just at least clean. I mean, that's scratched to pieces. It's like, I don't know, student digs, isn't it? It's like a student bin under there. It's kind of like student kitchen, isn't it, this? It's not really, it's not really up to standard, is it, that? Then if you want to go into the bathroom, you've got this weird little chair, like blocking your way, so you can just try and find your way through there. So get some light on the subject. You can't open this blooming door to get in. I'm struggling to get in here. What's behind it? Oh, it's just banging on its own wall. We've got oil heater there. Probably not going to need that. It is quite warm. Hair dryer. That works. Oh. What the hell? It's hanging off that, isn't it? That's not safe, that. Got some soap on here. Sink's clean, so that's good. So water pressure. Some toilet rolls on there. Some little. Oh my god, it's all falling to pieces here. Some plastic flowers. What's in here? Some kind of like a kid's stool thing. And washing machine. A nice bit of gap there. What's gap in? Oh, washing machine's always useful, isn't it, sometimes? It's a toilet here, a little bin. Check out that bin. I've got shower here. Well, that's, oh god, you can hardly open that. It's like, if you look in here, it's a bit like blocked up there to open that up. So what's this shower? Shower works. Switch that off before I drench myself. Oh, it's got some kind of like office ceiling. It's like got a lower, like suspended ceiling. That looks like really old, doesn't it? That looks weird. What are those for? Hot and cold there, like. Again, that's falling to bits, isn't it? Look at that. Yeah, it's a bit tight, this apartment. I mean, the pictures for this apartment look amazing. I mean, on the book this through booking.com, it was just over £100 a night. Was it? Yeah, it was roughly £105 a night. So, but the pictures in the ad look amazing. I think they've used like Photoshop for high key. I'm not saying it's not that, but the photos look a lot better. I mean, it's a lot more tired in real life. So yeah, let's have a look at this. So we've got balcony door here, curtains out, balcony door, and I'll show you. If we can open this up, I can show you the view. You can just about step out onto here. Just about step out. And you can see right down there towards the front. You can just see the sea at the end. That's the harbour in Alicante, right at the end there. You can just about see the palm trees and the sea at the end. A nice blue sky. And if we pan that way, we can see a bit more uptown and a few kind of shops and bars up that way. Quite nice. So yeah, little Juliet balcony out there. You can dry your clothes or whatever. It's got a weird sweeping brush to trip you up as you try and get outside. Alright, so let's close that up. So yeah, what do you think of this apartment? Do you think this is worth the money in Alicante? It's really, really good location. I'm gonna jump out and have a look at the city in a minute. And yeah, let me know if you think it's worth it. All right. I almost forgot to do a bed test, didn't I? You thought I'd forgotten that then, but I haven't. Right, let's just see how... Whoa! Is that comfortable? That feels a bit... I don't know, it feels a bit old. I think the mattress and the bed base might be a little bit old, like need replacing a little bit. I don't know how comfortable it's going to be. I'll let you know in the morning if I had a good night's sleep. Alright,